Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equations. So first of all, we will discuss the basic concept of linear equation in two variables. Let's see. Linear equation in two variables. So the general form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b are real numbers and a and b are non-zero. Now let's see the example. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now solution of linear equation in two variables is x is equal to alpha and y is equal to beta is a solution of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 if and only if a alpha plus b beta plus c is equal to 0, where alpha and beta are real numbers. Now, system of simultaneous linear equations. So the general form of a system of simultaneous linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. And second equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now let's see the example. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and second equation 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solution of a system of simultaneous linear equation is an ordered pair of number which satisfy both the equation. Let's see. Suppose x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Now the first equation, we have first equation x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now substitute the value of x and y in equation first. So 2 plus 1 minus 3, left hand side. So we have 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, that is right hand side. Now second equation, we have 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now left hand side of this equation is 2x minus 5y plus 1. Now substitute the value of x and y in equation second. So 2 into 2 minus 5 into 1 plus 1. So 2 to the 4 minus 5 on the 5 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the left hand side. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of a system of simultaneous linear equations. Now the various methods of solving a pair of linear equations. So first method is substitution method, second elimination method, and third cross multiplication method. Now we will discuss in this video class substitution method and elimination method. Let's see some questions from exercise 5.1. Solving a pair of linear equations by substitution method. Question number 2, second. 5x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 20 is equal to 12y. So first of all, we assume equation first and equation second. Now we take equation second. So x minus 20 is equal to 12y, and x is equal to, we can write here, x is equal to 12y minus 20, go that side, it's become plus 20. We assume equation number third. Now substitute the value of x in equation first. So substitute the value of x in equation first. We have 5, the value of x is 12y plus 20, 12y plus 20 plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 5 is multiplied by 12y, we have 60y plus 5 is multiplied by 20, 100 plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 60y plus 4y, we have 64y is equal to minus 4, go that side, it's become plus 4, and plus 100, go that side, it's become minus 100. So 64y is equal to minus 96. Now y is equal to minus 96 by 64. After cancellation we have minus 3 by 2. Now, so the value of y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now substitute the value of y in equation third. So third implies that x is equal to 12y. The value of y is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 plus 20. Plus 20. Now 2 6 are 12. So 6 3 are 18. So minus 18 plus 20. So x is equal to 2. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 2 is a solution of a pair of linear equations. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 3 from exercise 5.1. Solve the simultaneous equations 3x minus y is equal to 5 and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. Hence find the value of p if y is equal to px minus 3. So first of all, 3x minus y is equal to 5. We assume equation number first, and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 1. We assume equation number second. Now we take equation number first. So 1 implies that 3x minus y is equal to 5. After arranging the terms, we have y is equal to 3x minus 5. We assume equation number third. Now substitute the value of y in equation second. We have 4x minus 3y. The value of y is 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Now 4x minus 3 is multiplied by 3x, so we have 9x minus minus plus 5 3 are 15 is equal to minus 1. Now 4x minus 9x, we have minus 5x is equal to minus 1 plus 15, go that side, it's become minus 15. So we have minus 5x is equal to minus 16. So minus minus cancelled out. So x is equal to 16 by 5. So the value of x is 16 by 5. Now the value of x in equation third. So third implies that y is equal to, substitute the value of x in equation third. So y is equal to 3. The value of x is 16 by 5 minus 5. Now multiplication, so 3 into 16 we have 48 by 5 minus 5. So 48 minus 25 by 5. So we have 23 by 5. So the value of y is 23 by 5. Now find the value of p if y is equal to px minus 3. So y is equal to px minus 3. So the value of y is 23 by 5 is equal to p x. The value of x is 16 by 5. 16 by 5 minus 3. Now 23 by 5 minus 3 come this side, it's become plus 3 is equal to 16 p by 5. Now after simplification we have 16 p by 5 is equal to 16 p by 5, 23 plus 5 3 are 15 by 5. So 5 cancelled out. So 16 p is equal to 38. So p is equal to 38 by 16. After simplification we have 19 by 8. So the value of p is 19 by 8. That is answer. Now elimination method. So question number 2 second from exercise 5.2, solve by elimination method. So we have two equations, 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x by 3 plus 4y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now first 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. We assume equation number first. Now so first of all 2x by 3 plus 4y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Now taking LCM, so 3 2 is 6, so 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 4x plus 6 4 is 24, y plus 2 3 is 6, 3 is multiplied by 1, 3 is equal to 0. So we have 4x plus 24y, 24y plus 3 is equal to 6 is multiplied by 0, it's become 0. We assume equation number second. Now we have 2x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 in equation first, and 4x plus 24y plus 3 is equal to 0 in equation second. Now multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 8. So we have 8 3 is 24. Here is given 24y. So multiplying both sides of equation 2 by 1. So we have 8 2 is 16 x minus 8 3 is 20, 4y minus 8 3 is 24 is equal to 0 is multiplied by 8, we have 0. Now 4x plus 24y plus 3 is equal to 0 is multiplied by 1. So we have 4x plus 24y plus 3 is equal to 0. Now adding. Minus 24y plus 24y cancelled out. 16 plus 4, 20x minus 24 plus 3, we have minus 21 is equal to 0. So 20x is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 by 20. This is the value of x. Now the value of x in equation, substitute the value of x in equation first. So 2 1 implies that 2x, the value of x is 21 by 20 minus 3y is equal to minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 2 is multiplied by 21, so we have 42 by 20 minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 42 by 20 minus 3 is equal to minus 3y, go that side, is become plus 3y. Now 40, now taking LCM, 42 minus 60 by 20 is equal to 3y. Now 3y is equal to 18. 42 minus 60, we have minus 18 by 20. Now y is equal to minus 18 by 20. 20 is multiplied by 3 is multiplied by y. So go that side, it's become division. So 3 6 are 12. Now 2 3 are 6 and 2 10 are 20. So y is equal to minus 3 by 10. So the solution is x is equal to minus 21 by 20 and y is equal to minus 3 by 10. So hence x is equal to 21 by 20 and y is equal to minus 3 by 10. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 8, second from exercise 5.2. 5x minus 9 is equal to 1 by y and x plus 1 by y is equal to 3. So first of all, 1 by y we assume t. Say, so 5x minus 9 is equal to t. So we can write here 5x minus t is equal to 9. We assume equation number first. Now x plus 1 by y we assume t. So x plus t is equal to 3. We assume equation number second. Now here is minus t, here is plus t. So 5x minus t is equal to 9 and x plus t is equal to 3. Now adding minus t plus t cancelled out. So 5x plus x we have 6x, 9 plus 3 12. So x is equal to 12 by 6. So after simplification we have x is equal to 2. Now the value of x, substitute the value of x in equation second. So second implies that x is equal to 2 plus t is equal to 3. So t is equal to 3 minus 2. So we have t is equal to 1. Now we assume here t is equal to 1 by y. So t is replaced by 1 by y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Is a solution of given simultaneous linear equation. Thank you.